Today introduce Theo with my sisters in a dress. This park is wide. And the hands here and the shirt. And the skirt's body is long down to the horizontal part of the leg. I will show my sisters the way. We designed it for this old model. And to design it, we're going to use the metric. If you measure here, you will prepare yourself. Shoulder measurement, neck measurement, chest measurement, waist measurement, buttock measurement, waist length and hip length. And now we're going to go into the design part. I'll take a long dress. If you wear the shirt here, you will take it according to the height of the body. As long as you like it, you can take it. Then I built a road. I took the shoulder to shoulder part as the shoulder. Dividing 2 is equal to 32. 2 is equal to 16. Then I'll put it here. 16 here. Down to 4 petrol. When you get to her, you divide her by 5. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. Then lower the chest and we'll divide it by the chest. 2. Year. Sisters plus 2. I divide 80 by 5 plus 2 and I get 18. Let's bring a perpendicular line down to 18. I walk by. Then across the chest, you will take the chest. Divide by 4 plus by 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. One way is 22. Then you'll lower your waist. Starting from this high road you take down. Low is lower waist is equal 35. Then you'll take the waist and I'll take the waist. Divide by 4 plus 2, 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 18. The crossing is 18. Then, from above the waistline, you'll measure it down. One segment is equal to 18 cubic meters of gasoline. This is a butt. I measure on my body. It's like measuring your waist down. Then I'm going to get my ass. Divide by 4 plus 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is equal to 21. I think this is 21. Now you'll join the chest, the waist and the buttocks, then we'll go down to the dress. You go up to 3 parts. If you want a dress, make a dress. And if you want a dress with a fishtail, let's start with the hip. This is the hip, then you'll measure it down for the knee. Is that we're making a perpendicular line. Take it out, this knee you back in. Here is it done. And this section you're going to open. Then we'll get this fishtail. Whatever I will adjust. And I'm going to draw by hand a perpendicular line with 2 petrol lines. Split in half again. You'll draw the armpit line here. And then this sleeve part, it's going to be the sleeve part. And it's going to grow out of this part. Let's give ourselves 7. I built a perpendicular line. And then half of the body. Then you'll bend in. We'll get the sleeve. And this shirt is crumbling. And it's spread out over the shoulder. So from here you back up to gas. Go give yourself a path. This line will double the fabric line. I'll cut it later to show my sisters. And here we go back 8 inches and we've got an A. Vertical side line. This for long down is 16 hours. After I finish the first part. And the back. So from here we're going up, there's to petrol. And I connected this part here. And if you want her back there, we will also take it from the shoulder position. Hey! You go through. In this part, you will get to gas. Now cut Arabic. And here my Arabic is no seam. You have to leave the seams when we do it. For sample for yourself. The red line is of the SAO body, an angle of the SAO body. Body first. It's blue. And the body behind the butt, the body behind it will be bigger. Butt body before is a petrol centimeter. I'll cut out a centimeter of gas. Then in case, suppose you want the part. Mine is a fishtail. If you want the fishtail, from here, the ass, you're going to bend in this way. And when you get to this place, you hit it out with that part. Tongue at the bottom. Is that okay? And that's what we can do for the back of the sample and the body behind it. One more thing is that you will reduce your share. Armpit torso back is a gasoline millimeter. And the other one is that we're going to draw for the waist. I took the sign back. And you'll be able to draw the vertical here. Split in two. You cut this road width for petrol. After this paragraph, it's 16. This will be the back. Body later if you don't check the zipper. Here you find the side scissors. Then this will be twice the fabric we multiply by 1. In case you put the zipper in the back. Hips. Then you can reduce it to 3 glasses. You've reduced this to 1.5 inches. That's down to 1.5 inches. Then we'll get to the next part. It's 2 ways. If the zipper is on the side, then we don't cut it in half. And if you pull the zipper in the back, here you cut back in. That's the back part. Now the front part. This previous body here, it will be a double part. And the shoulder of the body in front of it is here. And this road you're crossing. I'll double as SAO. And I'm going to fold this paper. I'll fold it in a minute. Add a piece of paper here. It's easy for my sisters to imagine. And I'm going to cut this road. The buttocks will later. As body after it will. Bigger butt body before gasoline. So here I'm going to cut off the hip. If you cut it off, this is it. Down here is the top of the front. It's going to be double fabric. 7 times more here. And this body top. It's going to be the crumpled top. I will cut. Put this side together. And when you look at this side, then you'll open the passage up here. I cut open the section up here. Then, you can cut this part open. It's very short. If you want to expand it even more, then we'll cut another road here. I've expanded the raw part. Cut it back too. Put together the side waist. Then you cut it open like this. I'll add more paper now. Let's give you a picture of the ancient tattoo. The lower body is my own. The lower body remains the same. It depends on whether you want to pour a little or a lot. For example, a shirt that fits like that. Then you just need to expand raw to 10 millimeters of gas. For example, this is the year. This is 7 is 12, so we're going to brick and adjust this part. This way, this way, this way is going to be a double cloth. Cut this line across. Let it be. It's a broken hip. And here it is. Then will become a double piece. Then you're going to straighten this part down. Fold this in double. Put this down. And this middle road, I'll cut it back. This is the middle way when you do it. Then this is also a double fabric. When we fold the fabric, put this part together. Once it's done, you stack the capital again. And I cut back the shoulder. If I don't use this part, I cut it off. No. That's when you put the shirt on. This is the double fabric. This is the double fabric. So when we sew the shoulders together, these two shoulders together, ha, this shoulder. I'm going to check that these two shoulders are the same. I have to go this way, ladies. Then we'll move the double track. Right here. I stepped back earlier. 2 gasoline. Move this down. The chain goes and the chain doubles. That's the right way. Then this shoulder ring is lucky to hit each other. This is just the edge. Then this double line automatically goes down. It'll make the neck fall for itself. It depends on whether you want to pour a little or a lot. If I shed a lot, I will wear it. If the chest is still in place, we will go this way. Then we will. I can see the part of the shirt that's fallen like a tooth. And this body, you're going to cut it separately. And then I was new. Good luck finishing the folding part. If you have a pair, I can sew it in your body. And here are the 2 sides. You will be lucky here. Before we put it on the body, then we put it back together and will fit. Then I just finished sharing it with my sisters. The way I made it for a dress. Then you will sew this style with fabric. The softer it is, the more beautiful it is. If you want to take to classes later on, you guys, cut with the armpit. If not, you just need to hurry up. So it covers the waist, it keeps this right here. The strange part is the double cloth. Keep this part. You will. When we wear this cloth, it will double. Then it'll come down and wear it with open hips. It's inside. So here's how we do it. For the drop-down collar, I wish you success. If anything is unclear, leave a comment below. I'll see and respond to comments. Thank you. Hi! See you later.